It's a life-changing 'no, for many of us. 'Pag tinanong mo, "Wow, ang ganda ng sagot," 'no, parang, "Wow, ang talino nito, wow." Parang taong kausap, just to be able to clarify lang. So, isa sa mga gusto ko lang i i i-emphasize na, um, ang AI should be looked at as an assistant and not as a replacement. So, I'm giving you an example 'no. So, pagdating sa customer service 'no, it can help, like kahapon I was teaching in Iloilo, for, a tourism conference where the tourism stakeholders are being taught on having AI integrated into their businesses 'no. And isa sa mga tanong doon na, "Sir, mas magaling naman ako 'pag kunyari may dumating dito na na bumisita sa'min na na magiging customer.